Welcome, traders and investors. Here, Mr. Elon, what is going on? That Tesla stock just took a dump last week. You hanging around too much with the big guy here, Mr. Trump and Mr. Elon, trying to fix our budget problems? My name's Larry Pola, and I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about stocks. This is a disclaimer. I am doing this for entertainment, not giving any advice on financial decisions that you have to make on your own. I use simple moving averages. I use multiple time frames. And we're going to look at Tesla. Here we are. So here we have a kind of a quarterly chart, and it's been all over the past several years. And right here, wow, look at this, month up, month up, month up. We're still up there at 421. We did have a high of around 478. That's a $50 drop. It's pretty, around $50 drop. But week, we're still an inside week. You can see right here, no big deal. I'm using just these little dots are the end of the time period, so I can show you a lot of data in a little, multiple time frame thing here. I'm going to show you candles here in a second. This is the 5 simple moving average. We got below the 5 on the daily, and we had 3 days of drop. You can see here on the 12-hour, we tried to get above the 5, didn't make it, came back down below the 25 simple moving average. And on the 8-hour here, yes, these time frames are good for analyzing your shorter term moves. We came up to the 25. I'm sorry, this is a 10 simple moving average. Here's the 25 and came back down. And then here we have a lot more volatility. They can't decide what's going to go on. Let's look at charts for all you people that are used to charts. So here we have the weekly chart. We've got a little bit of a inverted hammer. We call it a shooter, and it is in the day. It's an inside week. These dots here are the closing period. And let's look at the daily. In the daily right here, and we just have 3 red days. We do have a shooter here the last day, and we are below the 10 moving average. This is the 10 period moving average. We want to get above this next week. Let's see what happens. We'll look at the 12-hour because I showed you that on the other one, and you can see we took it up, took it down, met in the middle, took it up, took it down, met in the middle, took it down, took it up, and we got to the 5, and then we took it back down. And this was somebody at the end on Friday must have been settling up a margin account, because it just all of a sudden there was a huge amount of volume at exactly 350 in 1 second. So yeah, this could very well correct itself hopefully next week, and we're still looking good. Well, you guys have a great week and a great weekend. Stay in touch and follow me on YouTube, Larry Pola.